This is how to structure an answer to a 20-mark question in A-Level Business Edexcel in 2026. So the first thing you're going to want to do is write your introduction. In the introduction, you will define the key term. In the question on the screen here, we can see the key term is circled in red and it is competitiveness. So we are going to define competition. The next thing we need to do is move on to paragraph 1, where you're going to make your first point. In the question on the screen, you can see the first point is cost competitiveness. So you're going to give one benefit of cost competitiveness on Tesla's global competitiveness. The second point is paragraph 2. This is where you're going to counterbalance your first point and give one drawback of cost competitiveness on Tesla's global competitiveness. We then move on to paragraph 3. This is where you're going to make your second point and explain one benefit of differentiation on Tesla's global competitiveness. And then similarly to paragraph 2, you're going to do paragraph 4, where you're going to counterbalance your second point. We then move on to the judgment. For the judgment, you should use the DISCOM structure. DISCOM stands for decision, it depends on, short-term versus long-term, costs involved, other factors, and more importantly. So to recap what we've just spoken about, you want to firstly start with your introduction, where you define your key term in the question. Then you move on to paragraph 1, where you make your first point and then counterbalance your first point in paragraph 2. You then make your second point in paragraph 3, and then in paragraph 4 you counterbalance your second point. And then you finish with your judgment, where you do your DISCOM structure. The question in this video was used from one of our predicted papers in 2026. If you'd like to get your own predicted papers, you can go to our website resourcestoday.com and find predicted papers from a number of A-level subjects. Last year, our predicted papers performed extremely well with loads and loads of 5-star reviews and lots of people using them.